Have you ever wondered what makes a conversation truly unforgettable? Gentlemen, the secret isn't about impressing her with your stories. It's about asking the right questions. In today's video, I'll reveal 6 powerful questions that not only spark interest, but leave a lasting impression on any woman. Stay tuned till the end, because the last one is a total game changer. Set the tone. Before we dive into these questions, let me remind you, asking meaningful questions shows depth, curiosity, and emotional intelligence. Women admire men who genuinely listen and care about what they have to say. So let's skip the small talk and move into meaningful conversations. The 6 questions build curiosity. What's the most exciting thing you've ever done? This question dives straight into her passions and adventurous side. It's fun, lighthearted, and gives her the chance to relive an exciting moment in her life. 2. If you could live anywhere in the world, where would it be? This shows you're interested in her dreams and aspirations. Plus, it gives you insight into her personality, whether she's a city lover, a nature enthusiast, or a beachgoer. 3. What's the one thing you've always wanted to try but haven't yet? Here's where you uncover her hidden desires and ambitions. And bonus, if she mentions something you could do together, it creates an opportunity for future bonding. 4. Who has been the biggest influence in your life? Deep right. This question invites her to open up about the people or experiences that have shaped her. It adds depth to your conversation. What's something about you that most people don't know? This question is like a treasure chest. It uncovers layers to her personality and makes her feel special, because you are genuinely interested in what makes her unique. If money or time weren't a factor, what would your dream day look like? Here's where you unlock her imagination. It's a playful way to understand her value, interests, and ideal life. Why these questions work? These questions do 3 powerful things. They show you're curious about her as a person, create opportunities for deeper connections, and make her feel valued. They go beyond the surface and open the door to meaningful conversations. Now, gentlemen, hear your challenge. Pick one of these questions and use it in your next conversation. Drop a comment below to let me know how it went. And remember, true stoicism isn't about showing off, but about understanding and connecting on a deeper level. Ask women these 6 questions and she'll be impressed. Stoicism. Picture this: you're having a conversation with someone you find absolutely fascinating. The vibe is perfect, but suddenly awkward silence creeps in. Ever been there? What if I told you that 6 simple questions could not only keep the conversation flowing, but also leave her thinking, wow, this guy is different? Today, I'm sharing those 6 golden questions that every man should know to leave an unforgettable impression. And trust me, the last one might surprise you. Warm up the audience. Guys, let's face it. Anyone can talk about the weather or ask how was your day. But those questions lead to bland, forgettable conversations. To stand out, you've got to go deeper. Ask the kind of questions that show you're not just listening, but truly interested in what makes her her. Ready? Let's dive in. What's the most exciting thing you've ever done? Why this works. Everyone loves sharing their highlight reel. Asking this immediately shifts the conversation to a positive memory. For example, she might talk about skydiving, traveling to Paris, or even something quirky like winning a pie-eating contest. This question is your key to uncovering her adventurous side. If you could live anywhere in the world, where would it be? Why this works? This question taps into her dreams and reveals her ideal lifestyle. Is she a city girl dreaming of New York skyscrapers, or a nature lover picturing herself in a cozy cabin by a lake? This question helps you understand her values without being too intrusive. What's the one thing you've always wanted to try but haven't yet? Why this works? It opens the door to her bucket list. Whether it's learning salsa dancing, trying scuba diving, or writing a book, you're helping her visualize her aspirations. Bonus tip: if she mentions something you can help her experience, you've just created a connection. Who has been the biggest influence in your life? Why this works? This one takes the conversation to a deeper level. You'll learn about the people or experiences that shaped her. Maybe it's her grandmother, a teacher, or even a favorite author. It's a subtle way to show you're interested in her backstory. What's something about you that most people don't know? Why this works? Everyone has a hidden side. This question makes her feel special, like she's revealing a secret just to you. It could be something funny, like a hidden talent, or something heartfelt, like overcoming a personal challenge. If money or time weren't a factor, what would your dream day look like? Why this works? This lets her imagination run wild. It's a fun way to uncover what truly makes her happy, whether it's sipping coffee on a balcony in Italy, volunteering at an animal shelter, or binge-watching her favorite show in pajamas. Why these questions stand out? Now you might be wondering, why do these questions work so well? The answer is simple. They're not just questions, they're invitations. Invitations for her to open up, share her story, and feel valued. And when she feels valued, she'll associate that feeling with you. Pro tips for asking these questions. But here's the kicker. It's not just what you ask, but how you ask. Keep your tone casual and genuinely curious. Avoid coming across like you're reading from a script. Listen actively, nod, smile, and follow up with thoughtful responses. That's how you turn these questions into unforgettable conversations. Here's your challenge. Use one of these questions in your next conversation. Then, come back here and share how it went in the comments. I'm excited to hear your stories. And if you have a go-to question that's worked wonders for you, drop that in the comments too. Who has been the biggest influence in your life? Here's where you pivot from fun to meaningful. This question goes deep and gives her a chance to talk about someone who shaped her into the person she is today. Whether it's a parent, mentor, or even a childhood friend, you're inviting her to share a personal story. Why it works. Women value emotional depth and vulnerability in men. When you ask this, it shows you're not afraid of meaningful conversations. What's something about you that most people don't know? Everyone has a hidden side, something unique that rarely comes up in day-to-day conversations. This question makes her feel special, like you're genuinely interested in knowing her beyond the surface. You. What's something about you that most people don't know? Her. I'm a pretty decent guitarist. You. No way. What's your go-to song to play? Now you've got her talking about something she's passionate about. If money or time weren't a factor, what would your dream day look like? This question is the cherry on top. It's creative, light, and lets her paint a picture of her ideal life. Whether her dream day involves exploring new cities, relaxing on a tropical beach, or spending time with loved ones, her answer will tell you a lot about her values and priorities. Pro tip. Follow up by sharing your own dream day. But keep it genuine. Authenticity always wins. Why these questions work wonders. Here's why these 6 questions are so powerful. They shift the focus from you to her. They make her feel seen, heard, and valued. And that, my friends, is what leaves a lasting impression. Remember, meaningful conversations aren't about trying to look good, they're about making her feel good. If you found this video helpful, don't keep it to yourself. Like, share, and subscribe to this channel for more tips on stoicism, relationships, and becoming the best version of yourself. Remember, true confidence isn't about impressing. It's about connecting. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.